What's up guys, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we're going to be learning about the A harmonic minor scale. Now in order to build a harmonic minor scale for any key, there are two methods that we can use. The first method has to do with tweaking the natural minor scale for that key. The second method has to do with using the formula. Now in this lesson we're going to be using both methods. So yeah, let's start. Now, we're going to use the first method first to figure out the A harmonic minor scale. Now, in order to do that, first of all, I'm just going to remind you what the A natural minor scale looks like. Now, the A natural minor scale looks like this. See that? That is the A natural minor scale. Now the first method involves tweaking the A natural minor scale in order for us to build the A harmonic minor scale. Now how are we going to tweak the A natural minor scale? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to increase the seventh note of the A natural minor scale by a half step, and that is going to give us the A harmonic minor scale. So yeah, let's do that. So starting from the key of A, count the notes as we move up the scale to make things easier for you. So starting from the key of A, so let's count together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the seventh note would have been the key of G if we were building the A natural minor scale. But because we want to build the A harmonic minor scale, we're going to increase the seventh note of the A natural minor scale by a half step. Therefore, the seventh note of the A harmonic minor scale is going to be the key of A flat and not the key of G. And we are going to finish at the key of A. See that? So the A harmonic minor scale is like this. See that? So that is the A harmonic minor scale. Now, the other method that we could have used to figure out the A harmonic minor scale is to use the formula. Now, just to remind you, whenever you move from one key to the next key, that is known as moving by a half step. So whenever you move from one key to the next key without skipping any key, that is known as moving by a half step. Whenever you move from one key to another key and you skip one key in between, then that is known as moving by a whole step. So for example, if you move from the key of A to the key of B, you've skipped the key of B flat in between. Therefore, this means that you've moved by a whole step. Now, whenever you move from one key to another key and you skip two keys in between, then that means that you've moved by 1.5 steps. So for example, if you move from the key of A to the key of C, you've skipped two keys in between. You've skipped the key of B flat and the key of B. Therefore, that means that you've moved by 1.5 steps. I'm just defining these terms because we're going to be using them in the formula for building the A harmonic minor scale. So yeah, let's use the second method to build the A harmonic minor scale. So starting from the key of A, this is how the formula goes. So starting from the key of A, we are going to take a whole step, and then a half step, and then a whole step, and then a whole step, and then a half step, and then 1.5 steps, and then a half step. See that? Let's do that again one more time. So starting from the key of A, we're going to take a whole step, and then a half step, and then a whole step, and then a whole step, and then a half step, and then 1.5 steps, and then a half step. See that? So we use the formula twice there to construct the A harmonic minor scale. And if you noticed, you're going to see that we've got the same answer using both methods. So yeah, that is the A harmonic minor scale. That's it for this lesson, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.